To create a new account, choose System Preferences from the Apple menu. Click on Users and Groups. Click the little padlock on the lower left side. Put in the admin username and password and click Unlock. Click on the little plus sign. Enter a username and password you'd like to use for this account. Normally, I do all my work in a standard account and only use the administrator account to install software or do other administrative tasks. Better security this way. Click Create Account. If you see a message on screen about automatic login, click Keep Automatic Login. Click on Guest Account and tick Allow guests to log on to this computer. This is good for occasional users and for computer labs because everything you do will be wiped when you log out. Click Login Options. From the automatic login pop-up, choose either your account or the guest account. You'll need to put in the password and click OK. Here, the computer is set up to log directly into my account. Restart the computer and it should log directly into my account. Now my computer has restarted and I'm in my Shah account. The first thing I will see is the scrolling in Lion window. This shows the new way to scroll in Lion. When I push up, the content in the window also moves up. Then I can click Start using Mac OS X Lion to dismiss the window. Here is another feature of Mac OS X, which is iCloud. We will dismiss this window for now. Choose System Preferences from the Apple menu. Choose Trackpad. Review the scroll and zoom settings. You may wish to change the scroll direction. Look at the movie to see the difference between natural and normal. Click Point and Click. Change tracking speed to fast and make sure Tap to Click is set. Now I can just click by tapping on the trackpad. Tick 3-finger drag. Now you can drag items by using 3 fingers. Review each setting by clicking on it and watching the movie. Under the More Gestures section, tap to select App Exposé. Now review each section as we have just done. Click the red button to close System Preferences. The four basic movements with the trackpad are tapping to click, double tapping to double click, using 3 fingers to drag, and tapping with 2 fingers to right click. Click the Finder on the lower left to open a Finder window. Double-click the About Downloads file to open it. The file is displayed. Notice that the application name at the top of the screen has changed to Preview. Choose Quit Preview from the Preview menu. Notice the name at the top of the screen changes back to Finder. The All My Files window shows where all your files are. Note that All My Files always shows you all the files that belong to you, regardless of their location in the file system. Here, About Downloads is in the Downloads folder, and About Stacks is in the Documents folder. However, when you click All My Files, both are displayed. Drag About Stacks to the desktop. Now, All My Files still shows About Downloads and About Stacks. However, when you click on the Documents folder, you will see that About Stacks is no longer there. In other words, we have moved About Stacks from the Documents folder to the desktop. Right-click on About Stacks to show the contextual menu. Now, right-click on the desktop to change the desktop pattern. Close the System Preferences window when done by clicking on the red button. Close the Documents window by clicking on the red button. Right-click on the desktop and choose New Folder. You can type in the name immediately. There is no need to delete the existing text first. After you type in the new name, My Stuff, press Return. It's in the same place as the Enter key. Done. To change the name again, press Return and repeat the process. Double-click the newly created folder to open it. Create a new folder inside it called Lesson Plans. Copying files. Choose Computer from the Go menu to open a new Finder window. Double-click on Macintosh HD to show the contents. Click on Column View. The contents of Macintosh HD are displayed in columnar format. Click Library and click Desktop Pictures. Drag Desktop Pictures to the My Stuff folder. Open My Stuff. You should see lesson plans and desktop pictures in there. These four buttons control how information is displayed in a window. The first button is called Icon View. The next button is called List View. The third button is called Column View. The last button is called Cover Flow View. Click back Icon View. Click on the List View button. This view is most like Windows Explorer. Click on the triangle to the left of Desktop Pictures to show its contents. Click on the triangle again to hide the contents. Click Cover Flow View. You are now able to preview the pictures inside the Desktop Pictures folder. Use the left and the right arrow keys to move from picture to picture. Click Icon View again. Click on the Launchpad icon in the dock. All your applications will appear. Click Text Edit. Text Edit launches. You'll notice the name in the menu bar has changed from Finder to Text Edit. You will also see a text edit icon in the dock and a blue light under the text edit icon. If I quit text edit, the icon in the dock disappears. If you right-click on text edit, you will see a menu. Choose Keep in Dock so that the text edit icon is always in the dock. Now when I quit text edit, the text edit icon remains in the dock and I can launch text edit with a simple click. Type in a few sentences. You can try the following keyboard shortcuts. Command X is cut. Command V is paste. Command C is copy. To delete, press the delete key on the keyboard. To do a forward delete, hold down the Fn key on the lower left hand side of the keyboard and press delete. To undo, press Command Z. All these keyboard shortcuts are also displayed whenever you click on Text Edit's menus. Notice that in a Mac OS X application, menus are always at the top of the screen. Click on the desktop and locate the My Stuff folder. Open the My Stuff folder and open the Desktop Pictures folder. I can drag a picture into the Text Edit document. This is called drag and drop. To make Text Edit the active application, you can either click on the Text Edit icon in the dock, or you can click on the Text Edit window. Choose Save from the File menu. Change the name to Lesson Plan 1. Click on the black triangle in the box to expand the window. Click Column View. Choose Desktop, and you should be able to see your My Stuff folder. Click My Stuff and click Lesson Plans. When I click Save, Lesson Plan 1 will be saved to the Lesson Plans folder. Choose Quit from the Text Edit menu. Open the Lesson Plans folder. You can see the file you just saved there. Click on the file, don't double-click, and press the spacebar to preview it. This is called Quick Look. Press the spacebar again. Close all windows. You should be able to see the My Stuff folder and the About Stacks file on the desktop. Choose Show View Options from the View menu. Close all windows and choose Show View Options from the View menu. In the Arrange by pop-up menu, choose Kind. All the icons on the desktop will arrange themselves on the right side of the screen. You can change other parameters as well. Close the window when done. Press Command and Spacebar to enable Spotlight. Search for Lesson Plan. It will be displayed while you are typing in the name. If you type words that were in that document, in this instance, I use the words My Trip to Japan in the document, it will display the same file. Click Show All in Finder. Click the file to show its path. Close the search window when done. Plug in your thumb drive. Open the Lesson Plans folder. Your thumb drive will appear in the lower left-hand corner of the window. Drag Lesson Plan 1 to your thumb drive. Click on your thumb drive. You can see the file inside. To safely remove the thumb drive, click the Eject button, then pull out the thumb drive. Open the Lesson Plans folder. And drag Lesson Plan 1 to the trash. Choose Empty Trash from the Finder menu. If you put things into the trash by accident, Click Trash in the dock and drag it back out. The Mac can auto-detect most printers, but if your printer doesn't work, you will need to download the driver from the internet first. Wait for the download to complete. Click Downloads in the dock. You will see the printer driver there. Click it. Click Open. Type in the administrator username for your computer and the password and click OK. Click Continue and click Install. Click Continue and wait until the installation completes. Open the file you want to print. Choose Print from the File menu. If you see no printer selected, click Add Printer. You'll need the administrator username and password to add printer. Choose the printer and click Add. Click Show Details to see advanced print options. Click Print. When printing starts, you will see the print queue in the dock. Click it. This shows you your printer status and jobs waiting to be printed. Close all windows when you are done.